Ontolica Preview is a leading content visualization solution for SharePoint 2013, enabling organizations to leverage their SharePoint platform by providing more user-centric search and document library preview functionality. Supporting more than 500 file formats, without additional infrastructure, users can preview documents that are accessible to SharePoint, regardless of their location. Ontolica learns from users' past search behavior and provides suggestions. This enables users to reduce time in trying to find relevant results and provide a more personalized preview experience. With Ontolica Preview, there is no need to install Web App Server or any other plugins. All you need is a browser. First page preview of the document is shown instantly, allowing users to preview documents in the enterprise. Users can therefore bridge the gap between discovery and visualization. To scope and find the most relevant pages of a document, Ontolica Preview allows you to quickly locate keywords within sections of a document, highlighting the search query and providing links to the most relevant pages. To further search within document, Ontolica provides in-document search. As Ontolica uses real-time conversions, end users can open and compare several documents side by side, accelerating the identification process. SharePoint users can toggle between multiple styles and set their personal preferences, also viewing what's new and popular. Refiners are easily configured in the central administration without coding or XML, allowing users to further refine their searches based on selecting multiple criteria. Ontolica can even configure hierarchical refiners using managed metadata, allowing users to drill into and view the document hierarchy and the number of documents associated to the refined content. To support end users' business processes, Ontolica links the search result to the specific document library the document is located. This allows users to take action directly and preview documents in the library. Ontolica supports 500 plus file formats, including more complex file types like AutoCAD drawings, Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and other vector-based formats. By delivering transparent support for external content sources such as file shares, Ontolica provides a consistent user interface experience regardless where the document is stored. End users have the ability to search and screen through large amounts of documents regardless where they reside.